Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this tutorial with Google Sheet, I'm going to show you how you can use this option under the view menu, which is called freeze. So you can freeze the rows or columns. Let's freeze the first row. I'm going to click. So the first row is now freezed. Now if I just hit enter, so the first row is freezed up here. Next, you can just click on two rows to freeze it. Click it to freeze the first row and the second row. And you can click on up to row 56. Just click, it's going to freeze up to 56 rows. Click on no rows, it's going to not freeze any rows. And if I click on one column, it's going to freeze the first column. Now you can just go to the next columns and the first column is freezed right here. If you click on two columns, it's going to freeze two columns. First column A, first the second color after the first is B. And also I can freeze up to column Z if I want to. Now I can click on no columns, it's not going to freeze any columns. So this is how we can freeze the rows and columns with Google Sheets. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.